Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this particular video, we're gonna cover how we can swap two variables with the help of Python in efficient way. Before moving on to the efficient way, let's check how we can do this thing with the help of third variable. So right now I'm on my PyCharm screen. There is one variable a is equal to 5. There is a second variable b is equal to 6. Now if I want to swap the values of both the variables, what I have to do, I have to create a new temp variable. In temp variable, I am saving value of a. Once I save value of a in the temp variable, I will save value of b in the a variable, and then I will save value of a, which is already stored in the temp variable, to the b, and then I will print a and I will print b. So this is the traditional way. Let's execute this first. You can see both the values as well. For a it's given 6, for b it's given 5. But let's go with the efficient way. For this there is one trick in Python. What you have to write, first you have to write the first variable, then give comma, write second variable, then give equal to. Now you have to write first second variable and comma and then first variable. So this particular syntax will swap the variable values in Python. Now if I print, let's print a and print b. Now it should swap the values. Let's execute the program again. You can see it's still swapped. So this was the efficient way to swap variable values in Python without using third variable. Thank you for watching. If you have learned something new, make sure to hit that like button and to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.